How to send video from camera roll as regular snap on Snapchat. Hello everyone and welcome. Today, I'll show you how you can send a video from your camera roll or gallery as a regular snap. Snapchat is a platform that allows us to send pictures and videos to people that are visible once. However, this only works if we capture something with the Snapchat application, otherwise it will be sent as a video that we can open countless times. But what if I tell you that this is possible? How? Open your Snapchat. Record some video in the app. It can also be a black screen. When you have recorded a video, tap on the plus icon located in the lower left corner of the screen. After that, we will select the last option with the plus symbol from the right menu. This will open our gallery from where we can select the video or image we want to turn into a snap. If the material is not recorded, check if you are in the right album. You can change the album by tapping the button at the top of the screen. When you have found the video or image you want, simply tap on it, and then on the yellow button in the lower right part of the screen. After that, in the scale below, select the video you recorded first and tap the button in the shape of a trash can. Confirm your selection by tapping the delete button. After that, all we need to do is to tap the preview button and then the send a button. And that's it. Now we can send our video or picture from the gallery as a regular snap, and the people we send it to won't see the difference. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Snapchat tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.